how to add my signature to email in HCL Notes. So I'll show you the demo. So this is my address. I need to uh, put in my mailbox signature. So there's I have I'll show you on the new mail. So this is my new mail. There is no signature is coming here. So I want to uh, put my signature. So this is my signature here. I want to place. So copy this signature. You can make this signature on your notepad, yeah, WordPad, yeah, Word, MS Word. So just copy it, and go to your inbox and click here more. Here is preference. Click in preference, and here is the tab signature. Click here the signature, and here is automatically append. Click here this checkbox. This automatically append the signature on outgoing mail. Okay, and rich text, select this one and add this. Copy and paste. Control V. Here you can modify these things, like you want to color this thing, so you can select and go to this one and text. Here is the color size, like green, so green, and you want to enlarge the font size. So here is the large. Okay, say you want to extra large, so here is extra large. So depends on you what you want to add. So here is the bold. So bold option is there coming. Okay, and you want to also add the signature GIF file, like some moving file you want to add in the signature. So you can add, uh, so you can just click here and graphics, click on the graphics, and here is import. Click here import, click here import. I have a graphics file on my desktop. Okay, so 200. So like icon, so this icon I have added in my signature. So you want to add your logo, company logo also. So just click on OK, and close this box. Again open this mailbox, and click here new memo. Here is coming the address book. So here you can add, depends on the screen size. So you want to enter many times, so you want to again do something, the setting. Click here preference, here is signature. Okay, and here I need to two times enter, 1 2 3. Okay, this space will come automatically when creating the new mail. So click OK. Okay, then again click new mail. Here is a space is creating, so I have no need to enter a space. So depends on you where you want to put it, this signature. So you can give the space over there. Okay, so and so you want to change this icon, so you can change this icon. Go to preference and signature. So I have going to, here is the graphics, here's import, and select the this graphics. Here is a moving graphics is coming here, so click OK. And click new memo. Here's moving graphics coming, GIF graphics is coming on this on your mail. So this is a demo for adding signature in HCL Notes client. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.